Okay, what is going on?
There is a baby bird in the front of our door. I can't open it. I don't want to.
Where did you go? Where are you? Okay.
I'm right here.
You ready to see it, Isla?
You ready? I'm going to open it.
Okay, but open it very slowly, please. We got pool junk everywhere. We just got back from the pool. Slowly. Okay. Whoa! Oh my goodness. What is he doing? No, don't scare him.
Don't scare him.
OMG.
Can it be our pet?
Well, I think he lives in this bush right outside our door.
No, I think he wants food.
Well, no, he's pretty little. His mama's probably trying to figure out where he's going.
No, he's hungry. Mommy, he's hungry.
I think he fell out of the bush.
He's hungry, my God. He should be flying in our house right now.
He's just staring at us.
Be careful, don't scare him. What are you doing, little birdie? Hi. He's so tiny. I want to eat him. He's so tiny. He looks like a baby eagle because he has like a long beak.
Oh my gosh, I'm dying so bad. What's that grumpy face?
Stop. He's going to bite you.
No, what's going to happen is Mama Bird's going to come down here and bite you. Oh my gosh, I'm dying.
I can't
He's
believe
so still. What's that grumpy look? He's like, feed me some more.
Birdie, there's some fly over there. You need to eat it. It's gonna come.
Night-night, baby bird. Say night-night.
Night-night.
I guess we'll have to go a different way. Oh, did he fly away?
No, he's still there.